Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. Today, we are going to discuss what is Azure. So today's topic is what is MFA, that is multi-factor authentication in Azure. Adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to verify their identity using two or more methods, something they know, like password, app, phone or app, or our fingerprints. It is protected account from authorized access, especially during sign-in and sensitive operation. So, multi-factor authentication in Microsoft ensures enhanced security by requiring two or more verification method or sign-in. It helps protect against authorized access by combining something you know, like password, and something you have, like such as phone or hardware token, or something you like fingerprint. Azure MFA can be enforced through conditional access policies, ensuring users meet security requirements based on location, device, or app. It integrates with Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure AD, supports method like SMS, phone call, mobile app notification, and FIDO2 keys, reducing the risk of compressed credentials and improving identical protection. So, and also, if you're giving any app examples, for example, it's like a two-way verification of emails and everything. So, if you're accessing from one organization to another organization, you'll be receiving a notification that through email that whether it is you or not. Same thing is happening inside the multi-factor authentication. So, it is like a two-way verification. It's an extra layer of security of multi-factor authentication. So, if you like our channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.